You are going to love the 2018 Versa. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.